How to join Steal a Brainrot Discord server. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. You need to start by heading over to your application Discord. Enter your login credentials, as in your username and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, at the bottom left corner, click on this plus icon, and then click on Join a Server. Now in this section, you simply have to enter Brainrot, and then click on Join with Invite link. Now click on Accept Invite. Wait for a while for it to load. You have to give some of the information right here. Choose whether you are 18 plus or below 18 and then tap on Next. Select your gender, and then select the country you're in. Once you have selected, tap on Next at the bottom of the screen. Now choose the option in which you want to get notified about, and then click on Next. And there you go, you have successfully joined Brainrot Discord server. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.